Hi, I'm Holly Pike. If you'd like a trial of the Generation software that I use for digitizing, please visit trygenerations.com. This video is a recording of a live video I did for my previous students. You may hear references to You Can Digitize or YCD. That's my old website that is now closed. My new website is digitizingschool.com. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. Everything that you learned with the line tool applies to the freehand area tool in terms of how to implement it in the software. So I need you to watch, hands up, just watch and listen, and I'm going to show you how to use this tool. The freehand area tool is right below the line tool that you've already used. You're going to left click on it. You get the same box here with complex fill, the color, and all the same box. So let's just change the color. Click on those three dots, and let's make it orange. Now, your left clicks and your right clicks work the same, except you're making an area, like you're making a circle or you're making a shape. So if I left click, then come down here and left click, left. When I get back to here, I'm going to left click and enter, or double left click. Turn on my 3D view and I have made a box. If you can make a square, you can make anything. Left click, right click, double left, or hit enter. You can make a circle or a triangle. See? It's very simple. Now if I start here with a left and I do a little bit of this, just a whole bunch of right clicks, I get that. You might say, why do I want to get that? Well, I don't know. Maybe your artwork has that shape in it. Stranger things have happened. When you're finished making your shapes, hit escape to drop your tool. Your last shape will be highlighted with the marquee. If you want to keep it, great. At this point, you can move things around however you want just by left click and dragging them. Real simple. If you want to delete something like this one, and you left click it with the 8 black boxes around it, you can delete it. If you have an area like this and you right click on it and hit delete, it's not going away. It's going to come back. So remember, if you right click and want to delete, it's Control Delete. That's all there is to the area tool. Actually, how to use the area tool. Once you master the left clicks and make whatever shape you like, it's just as simple as left clicks and right clicks. That's it. That's the biggest thing to how to use that tool. Okay, not hard. What I want you to do is I want you to now, on your screen, in your software, take the area tool, the freehand area tool, and just make some shapes. Remember to start with a left click and just make some shapes. Just make some shapes. When you get to the end, double left click or left click and hit enter. Make some circles with the curve tool. Always start with a left, end with a left. So here's my left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Always start with a left and end with a left. So I want you to do that, and then I will be back and we'll talk about how you did and if you had any problems. This is the end of the freehand area tool module.